Yo, we're gonna be opening some packs. Apparently, when YouTubers open packs, they get subscribers, likes, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing if that's true. If this actually gets like a few likes or something, I'm gonna be surprised. Ain't gonna lie. What am I trying to get from this pack? Stardust Dragon. This amazing card gets it inflicts. Oh, it gets 300 attack every battle phase of mine. Pretty good, especially like if like you're going against a boss monster, Stardust Dragons in your graveyard. Pretty good card. And it's just a level 6 synchro summon. Pretty easy. Also looking for this because you add 2 normal monsters from your graveyard to your hand. Pretty good. And maybe this. Silver Dragon. I didn't rate this yet, but I think it's good. I'm not sure. Let's open the first pack. By the way, I'm getting this from my box, so I will get one free card. It's a ultra rare. Ooh, one Karibo. Seriously? Yo. But I really like. It should either be Stardust Dragon, like the last card at the back. It should be Stardust Dragon or like something like a spell card. The rest, I don't know. Whoa, res. Sorry if I'm skipping too fast, but if it's one Karibo, we got trash. Well, don't tell me I'm literally getting scammed. Don't tell me I'm literally getting scammed. Oh my boy. Okay, 3 Karibos now. That's it. Seriously. Trap. Target one. Stardust monster if I gave you special summon it. I have a card that does something better than that, but oh, you kidding me, bro? Whoa. Bro, what luck do I have? Bro, what luck do I have? Are you serious right now? That's literally the 10 packs. And they scammed me from my card. I'm supposed to get this card. What happened? I'm supposed... Bro. Alright, let's go again. Okay, 3 Karibos this time. We might get a super rare. By the way, to increase my luck, I'm actually using... This is the worst card of all time. This is the worst card of all time. Ooh, I have to pay 1,000 life points just to attack. What am I supposed to do with... Alright, boom. Alright. Wait, man, at least I'm grateful. Got a super rare. Ooh, synchro monster. Yeah, man, I'm just gonna keep quiet, man. Okay, whoa. Yo, you say came. Just gonna keep quiet, bro. Just gonna keep quiet. We see a synchro monster. Alright. But I actually gotta take a screenshot for the thumbnail. You say no, you say didn't come right. Yo, I see a synchro monster. 3 Karibos. Let me take a screenshot really quick for the thumbnail. Okay, you say came. What? Alright, man. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, no. This is gonna be the. Oh my god. Oh my. But I literally got out of my seat. I know you guys are gonna hear like wind or something, but I'm sorry for that. But like, Stardust Dragon. I don't care about the rest of the packs, but like, how about Stardust Dragon? You know how good that card is? Oh my god. I still got scammed from the other card, but that's good, man. I wanted Stardust and I got it. Yo, I actually had to go do something. Why are you kidding me? But seriously, after getting Stardust Dragon, man, I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I got Stardust. Yusei came. Ooh, a level 5 single monster. I might use him. You know what? I'm just gonna speed run through them. If it's only one Karibo, I'm just gonna speed run. But I'm not even sure if that was one Karibo. Guessing it is. Oh, it was. And alright, last pack. Nothing special. Did I get scammed? Yep. One super rare. But it's good. I think this is my last pack. Yeah, it's my last pack, unfortunately. But imagine I can get like a... But imagine I get another ultra rare. Oh, I doubt it though. Oh, super rare. Level 3. After this, I might actually... Ooh, Yusei came. I might actually, you know, go check what kind of deck can I build. Bro, if I get an ultra rare, bro, Yusei came. Synchro monster, spell card. I ain't gonna use that spell card. Oh, synchro monster. Okay. Like I said, if it's one Karibo, I'm gonna skip it. But most of these cards already have. That's the problem. Bro. Last pack, one Karibo. I might use that. Okay. After revolt, I got here. But why the hell do I have 2 of this? But why? What? But either ways, yeah, I'm figure out a combo. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Maybe if you guys open some packs, you won't be as unlucky as me. At this point, I just feel like it's the game, not me. I really feel like it's just the game. But either ways, that's me signing off. Bye-bye.